everyone, I'm Francesca. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is our last day of the 12-day holiday series. If for some reason you were just finding this now, you came kind of at a good time because all the videos are uploaded, so you can go check out all of them and see everything that we made. We covered appetizers, side dishes, main dishes, and dessert. So I really hope that you enjoyed this series because it was a lot of work and it was so much fun to do, and I cannot wait for you guys to try some of these recipes. If you do, you have to tell me. You know that I love to hear back, okay? Please let me know. So for our final recipe, our final dessert, we are making these cranberry almond cakelets. I found this beautiful cake pan from Nordic Ware, these little snowflake cakelets, and they were just so cute. I couldn't pass up on it. I'll have, everything in the description box down below linked. It might be a little too late to get this pan. However, you can also just make these like in a cupcake tray. You can make them in a small loaf pan. Like there's plenty of options. I'm going to cover all that in the blog post, so you can check that out. And these were absolutely delicious. They are sweet. They have a little bit of the tartness from the cranberry. They have the crunch from the almonds. Like seriously, they were so much better than I expected them to come out. And I think you all will really enjoy them. I think it's nice because it's a really light dessert, which is good after like a heavy meal, after a Christmas Eve, Christmas dinner kind of meal. You don't always want like a big giant dessert. This is little, it's mini, it's cute. And yeah, I think you all will love it. Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you for watching this series. I really hope you enjoyed it. The full written out recipe is on my blog, link in the description box down below for that, as well as the ingredients written out in the description box, as well as, links to my cookbook, blog, everything that you need to know is in the description box. And yeah, thank you for being here. I will be taking a little break. I will see you guys in January. I'm going to celebrate the holidays and take a little bit of time off. So yeah, wishing you a very happy holiday, a very happy new year. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for all your love and support in 2021. And I will see you guys in 2022. Now, let's go make these cakes. To start off our cakes, we're going to cream together some vegan butter, vegan sour cream, and organic sugar. As you already know by now, hopefully, organic sugar because non-organic sugar can be processed with bone char. Take a little hand mixer and just mix that up, cream it together until it looks something like this. Kind of thick and creamy and smooth. The sour cream doesn't get completely broken down yet, so don't worry. Add in some non-dairy milk, followed up with a little bit of vanilla extract. Actually, a lot of vanilla extract. These are vanilla cakes. And mix this all together again, just combining all the wet ingredients. Add in your baking powder and all-purpose flour, and then you're just going to mix it again. This is going to be a very thick batter, so you definitely want to use a hand mixer or even a stand mixer for this. So it'll look something like this when it's all done. As you can see, it's like really thick, but this is what we want. Add in your frozen cranberries and some chopped up almonds, and use a spatula to fold that into the batter. And just take a few seconds to do this because it is so thick. You really want to make sure it's folded in very well, so it'll look something like this when you're all done. I'm using this beautiful cake pan, and I'll have it linked down below, but you don't have to use this. You could use like a mini loaf pan or a cupcake pan, something like that. So I'm just going to spoon the batter in there and then spread it out with my spoon. Like I said, it's very thick, so I'm just going to help the batter out and just give it a nice spread with the spoon. And the thick batter is what's going to make these cakes actually very light and fluffy later on. I'm cleaning up my cake pan just because I don't like for that stuff to get burnt on there, and bake at 350 for 30 minutes. When it's done, let the cakes cool for about 10 minutes in their pan before you take them out, so this way they're not too warm when you take them out and they don't like lose their shape and structure. And they already look so beautiful. I love the way the cranberries look. And then do a toothpick test, comes out nice and clean, perfect. Take a knife to help loosen everything up, and then you just want to flip either like a big plate or a board, like a cutting board like this, right on top of the pan and flip it over. You gotta use your knife to help you bang it out, and eventually you'll get them out. It did take a little bit of work. Some popped out easier than others, but we got them all out, and that's all that matters. And it looks like this. How beautiful is that? I love everything. The detail on all these snowflakes is so pretty. I love that everyone is different. And now you can just top them with some powdered sugar, just if you like. It just makes them look even extra festive and beautiful. And that's pretty much it. Now they're all done, and they really were so delicious. Like, they had so much flavor, but they were still light. And I think the cranberries add that nice tartness to it, and it was just very delicious. I don't know, I think you guys will really like it. I love the almonds in there, adds a little extra flavor, crunch. If you can't have nuts, just leave them out, of course. And they're beautiful, so I really hope you try them out. I hope you enjoy them. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching this series, and I appreciate you all so much, and I'm wishing you a very happy holiday and a very happy new year.